This is King of the Hill, and I have troops in my helicopter looking for a landing spot. This is not a great landing spot. See that now? That's a tan armored truck with a man turret parked right next to my landing zone. The landing gets cut short. I take a round to the cockpit, and I have to maneuver to get out. Once I get far enough away, I bandage up, morphine up, and make sure my helicopter's in a stable flight path in case I pass out. Welcome back, everyone. Today is about emergent landings. Picking a landing zone you never planned, in the middle of a flight, walking away from it. No pads, no markers. Just reading the ground. The loop is simple. Take off, put troops where they matter, get home. Insertions are how a pilot ranks up and gets paid in King of the Hill. After landing, I quickly take a bullet and mark this off as a place not to land. Unfortunately, I forgot about the tall trees. Goodbye, helicopter. Attempt number 2. I'm going up the left side of the map, trying to find an area that's maybe behind enemy lines. Problem is, there's still enemies there. You see here, rotor blades are gone. What you can't see here is that enemy behind those bushes. I fortunately skid to a safe stop using my tail rotor to guide me. What a great response from that guy. Just like anything, you get props for doing things good and you get called out for doing things bad, even if it's not your fault regardless. I get taken out here pretty quick and I return back to spawn. Don't make the same mistake as me. Don't try to go to the same place twice. You've been shot down already. You can see another heli just sitting there as well. After that, a server restarted, and with it, it brought a little bit of rain. That rain can actually be helpful when you're trying to land, as it makes it harder for ground troops to see your aircraft. Sometimes all the aircrafts are taken and we pilots stand at the sign going in and out and trying to get a helicopter. You will get one eventually, it just takes a little bit of time. Here's what the whole landing procedure looks like. Number 1, I'm checking the radar, red dots are friendlies. Number 2, I'm checking for obstacles. Lastly, we're checking for landing zones. A is an open field, B is more closed in. With good tree lines, it wins because it has more protection. Troops have 4 seconds to get out. I dust off right away. If anybody hasn't got out, that's their problem. Every approach is the same. I check the dots on the radar, I check the obstacles, and I look for good cover. And of course, when everybody's out, that's when it's time to lift off. Don't wait around. Don't give it more than 4 seconds. And I'm diving for airspeed and getting cover between me and any possible enemy fire. Here, my helicopter's a little damaged. You can see my rotor's yellow. And I'm also starting a streak. Don't want to get shot down, so I take a little safer route. I tell my troops they can run a little bit further. They're more than happy to. And I get out of there with a 9x streak. Coming up next is a good example of why it's important to stay very vigilant, even if you're only landing for a few seconds. Here I was shot down and everybody survived the crash, so I'm going to reinforce troops. I make my way up towards the front lines and I start to hear a helicopter come in. There he is. You can see as he came in behind that dumpster right there, I lined up, took out the pilot, switched into full auto, and then you can see here why I prefer to fly, because I'm not great with the gun games. So back to base I return. Don't forget your repairs. A damaged aircraft does not perform as well as a fully functional one. This brings us back to the beginning of the video. This is the same helicopter and me about to learn where not to land. Again, we cut it short to preserve the helicopter. And this is the actual lesson. An aborted landing is a successful landing. I took the coastline home because slow and alive is better than fast and dead. Always show off when you're returning home. It's an invulnerability zone and it's great practice. Four birds down, 4 lessons learned. That's King of the Hill. If this video helped you at all, please do leave a like. And if you'd like to see more content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.